with me is Google Pixel 9a, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Security and Privacy. Then scroll again to tap on the Face Unlock, hit Face and Fingerprint Unlock section, and enter your current login method. Now tap on Face Unlock, hit More at the bottom right corner, and choose I agree. After tapping on Start, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. When it's ready, hit Done at the bottom right corner. Operate all of those options however you want to, and when you finished, go back. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!